Okay, so we're at our next spot for our little mini Dallas barbecue foodie tour and everything. And so I told you we went to Smokey Joe's and now we're at Smokey John's, okay? So it's still raining out, but we're gonna eat some more barbecue real quick because these are my people. I've actually interviewed the owners, Brent, Juan Reeves, great guys. And last time I had their barbecue about 4 or 5 years ago, it was amazing. We gotta see what it's like today. And I hope I saved some room here. I didn't get anything on my white tee. I have to like see the menu in advance. I'll be up there and I'll be stumbling. And even in Kansas City, you know that's not acceptable because at Gates, you do that. I don't want that to happen to me here. But I think these people are a little nicer than that. Gotta get the brisket because that's always my favorite. They have hamburgers and everything too? That's a lot, okay. You really got a lot, like, okay. The smoked deluxe, I'm gonna do 2 meats. I'm gonna do brisket and you want to try the sausage? Let's try the sausage. We'll do 2 meats, brisket and sausage. I'm not chopped, a slice. And then the sausage for here, please, sir. I like that. It's right there. It looks really juicy. I like the cuts that he's giving me. It's not too much fat. I like that because, you know, I'm always trying to like, you know, I'm trying to keep it right. You know what I mean? A chicken and dumpling sides because that kind of looks good. Like, what is that? That's chicken and dumplings. That's chicken and dumplings. Yeah. What are the sides though? I'm gonna get a side of chicken and dumplings, and then I'm gonna get a side of greens. Okay. And then I'm gonna get a side of these beans here. Potatoes, tomatoes, all of them. Thank you so much. And the chicken and dumpling, don't forget them. Cornbread. Don't be, what, you already know. Like, thank you. We're talking to one of the owners right now. This is my guy. Say hi to the camera. This is one of the owners over here. Hey. Yeah, we got Brent and Juan in the house. Brent and Juan Reeves. Yes, Smokey John's.
Welcome back.
I know, it's been a minute, but I'm here and I'm excited. I got my plate and everything. Oh yeah, we're eating good today. I love it. I know, there you go.
I'm gonna put it on there for you.
Please, thank you. So I got the good service. I do love like a real old school barbecue joint, but I'm gonna tell you right now, air conditioning in the South in Dallas where the humidity's on like 1,000 on a rainy day, you want that AC when you're eating a hot meal. This looks wonderful. And let me get this on my phone because I always like to get it. Thank you so much. Thank you, Brent.
No worries.
How's the family? How's everybody doing?
I got a senior in high school, so I'm
oh my God, senior in high school? Oh, those were stressful times for me. I had to get this on my, you know, you got to get it on the iPhone like the kids do and everything like this too. You got to get that. It just looks beautiful. It's a beautiful plate of barbecue. And so now it's like the moment of truth, right? I got to like have a bite. We're gonna have to do the side-by-side comparison of when I was trying it for the first time to now. Okay, let me put my hair back. I gotta get ready for the, you know what I mean? And like I said, I got my white tee on, so I don't wanna get dirty, but let me get my barbecue dipping on the side. The beans look amazing. The greens look delicious. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. And that's what I'm saying. When I put my fork in it, it's soft, it's juicy, it's moist. This will, you know, that's how I remember it.
You're not just take the mic from me. Help me. I'm trying to eat.
That's how I remember it. That's what we like. I like that. And let me try some pork. I gotta get the sausage because I got the two meat plate, right? I like that.
And do you need ribs?
You trying to kill me? You trying to lay me out? I'm about to go to sleep after this if I'm getting ribs. Like,
this is weight loss ribs.
Oh my God. Weight loss ribs, Mr. Reeves?
These are the best.
If you want to throw a rib on the plate, you know, me and B Will could try it. I love the sausage. The sausage is great. I've never been to a barbecue place that had chicken and dumplings. And let me just say the service is always amazing in here. Hold on a second. Ooh. It's perfect. It just took me back. I gotta call my grandmother now. That's good. You gotta try some of this. I want you to try it. The man behind the camera needs to try some of this as well. Now that I created that basis for everything, now I'm gonna sit down. And then I gotta try this Cedric Palmer. Oh my God, thank you so much. Look at that.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me get it down with the Cedric Palmer. And then we're gonna be over here. But the chicken and dumplings, I love the spice. It's like so perfect. Like I told you, it reminds me of my grandma, like soul food cooking. It just tastes so good. But you gotta wash it down. And I never had a Cedric Palmer, so this is my first. Woo! That's a I gotta stand back up. What are y'all trying to do to it? Like, it's really good. Now, what am I gonna do about this? Like, you gotta get it over here. You gotta get the close. You gotta get this. You gotta get the close-up on the ribs and stuff because they're just juicy, just sitting right. That extra piece of meat on top, like they didn't skimp on nothing. I appreciate that because some places, when they give you the ribs, they just keep the meat so thin. You just see more bone than meat, and that's not. This is what a good pork rib's supposed to look like. So you ready? Y'all ready? Everybody ready? Okay. Oh, I know. Let me catch the juice. He was ready to catch the juice. That's an amazing pork rib. And pork is not usually my thing. Like I wasn't gonna get the sausage. The sausage is amazing. The pork rib is delicious. It's juicy. And it was on my fave. Just as long as it's not on my shirt. Because I was brave today with this. I want to be able to see the fit. Like I got the Timbs on. Like I came ready to barbecue. Like, okay.
That's a bold move.
That's a bold move. And I'm a messy eater, so.
Now you're doing a great job.
This is delicious. Thank you. I got to get this. You see this on top right here? I'm coming for this right here. Just. If you have like dentures or anything like that, this meat is for you. Like it's coming right off the bone. Like you don't even have to work that hard to get it. This right here, I know good meat. This is good meat. I raise a rib.
Yes.
All right.
I raise a rib. I raise a rib to the Reeves brothers.
There it is.
And Daddy Reeves in his good name. Amen. Thank you so much. Good. Now I'm gonna take a little second, let him eat a little bit. There we go. I'm like eating good. This is how you know. It's like, girl, what? I told you before, I've never seen this chicken and dumplings at a barbecue restaurant in my life. Best chicken and dumplings I've ever had, okay? So now they're telling me what they really do here, what they really throw down with is the catfish.
Yes, ma'am.
So, no ma'am, thank you. I'm like, let me grab this right here. And so wait a minute, so you guys were telling me what, this is like the Louisiana catfish or what? Mississippi? Okay, let me get up close.
There are a lot of places these days that are selling something that's not catfish. It's a scavenger. It's swai or bassa, but that's not catfish. A lot of times that's not even from America. It comes from Vietnam and China. This is USA farm raised.
Oh, this is
catfish.
USA.
Real.
That's what I'm talking
and
about.
It costs more, and that's why people are going on the other side. But
Yeah.
we refuse.
I love that.
We got to keep it true to the real flavor.
Okay,
So,
Juan.
try
I'm
it
about
out.
to
Let me
dig
know.
in right now. Hell yeah, I'm about to dig. I'm gonna let you know right
While
now.
you were digging in, when
Yes.
I was in college, 'cause they
It's
knew regardless
steaming.
of what I
You
ate,
see
I was
this?
gonna eat that.
I'm gonna have to wait for this to cool down. Y'all see this
That's hot.
steam here? You see? I mean, maybe you can't. I can though. Look at that. That's real catfish right there. Juicy,
it is
plump.
hot.
That's
Be
hot.
careful.
I know I'm gonna be very careful here. I'm like, y'all see that right there? But they took it hot off the grill for us right here, and I appreciate that because
There you
I love catfish. I do. I really do. Let me see if I can cool it down a little bit because I know the people are anxious right here. I like this sauce too. Ooh, yeah. Oh, that's really good. Oh, Brett special. Okay.
That's his
Ooh.
recipe for tartar sauce.
It's tartar sauce. Okay, so there's like some pickles in here. It's got this kind of relish, but it has like a spice to it too that it smells. I've only smelled it. It smells delicious. So I'm excited to try it, and I'm hoping it's cooled down this catfish for us. So let's see. Oh. Flaky. Oh, wow. Hold on. Hold on. Britt, this is a Britt special? I'm sorry, I'm yelling now. This? Y'all need to take, I need this on the plane. I need y'all to put this in a 3-ounce container for me. This catfish is so juicy. I'm not capping. This is juicy, flaky, delicious. You can taste the difference.
It's real fast.
Now I'm like wondering what these places been serving me because this right here, this is what we've been needing. Hold on, like, no, some of my good friends in Vegas were always looking for catfish and we can't ever find it. It's always dried out. Can you see? No, camera, you gotta be Will. Come on, help us out, man. Do y'all see this? Do you see how juicy this is? Like when I first put it in I was just like, bro, it's the perfect, it's plump, and the batter is perfect. It's not too much, it's not too salty. Because some people do too much, they put all the salt. I'm like, bro, you didn't ruin it, like what? And then you, with the Brent special sauce, you made this? You was in the back chefing it up like that? Like,
Yes.
I have to wait for it to cool down. I'm like, this is.
a pretty face.
Wait
He's
a minute.
tough.
No,
Working on it.
We're working on it.
We're working on
This
it.
needs to be on a shelf because all that tartar. Listen, I love tartar sauce. Okay, grew up with, you know what I'm saying. But this right here, this is different. It takes you to another level. I might lie and put this on a plate, and be like, I made it to my man. You know what I mean? I might have to be like, this is a Demetria special now. This is.
I'm okay
It's
with
really
that.
good. I'm gonna take the camera from B Will so B Will can try it because I need y'all to see his expression because I just want y'all to know that I'm not capped. So you about to try this B. There you go. And then I gotta switch my battery. You gotta do it quick because it's about to die. We've been over here doing our thing. There we go. It's hot. So you got that? Okay. You gotta dip it in the Brent special though. Do it quick for the camera dies. I gotta get my other battery. There we go. That's it, bro. He said, say, bro. That's it.
Yeah, well, we trying
This combination right here, they got married somewhere.
Right there. I had to get behind the camera on this one. I'm like, I'm already knowing. I don't lie. Never seen catfish in a barbecue joint here, but I wanted to show you this right here because I'm not playing around when I tell you this is some juicy, moist catfish. Okay, look at the jiggle. You see that? Catfish don't even be jiggling like this. The catfish you got, like, really look, it's still hot. They brought this out to me like 15 minutes ago. It's got that Tyler, make me swim, make me smarter. Is that what she said? I don't know what she said. I know you want some more, B. Will. I know, I'm not gonna eat it all. Y'all don't understand, that's how perfectly the batter has preserved the fish. It's still steaming. Y'all can't see it maybe, but I just saw it, like, there's still steam coming off of this. I love it. Every time I come back to Dallas, I'm like, I'm gonna come to a barbecue joint to get some catfish. I like it. Great food here. I highly recommend the catfish. You have to try it. Everything was really delicious, but my favorites right here, because it just caught me so off guard. I'm like, the chicken and dumplings, the catfish is on a whole nother level. You gotta try it. But the dessert, you seeing this right here? It's like, I love it because the juices are runneth over. I love that right here. Oh my God. This is why I like coming to the South. I can't lie. Like, I know the dessert's gonna be on point, but even before I put it in my mouth, I'm already knowing. Ooh. I'm just happy. Said the juice runneth over. I know they say Georgia peaches, but this Texas peach is really hitting right now. The spices, the crust, the cobbler, so good. I'm gonna take it to go. I told you that juice, boy, like, I'm trying not to be like that, but you know. Try to act like I got some sense, but it's so good.
Had an amazing time at Smokey Joe's. Make sure you try that catfish and make sure you like, subscribe, join my memberships. This is what you can expect from me next week on Demetria Eats when I hit up Terry Black's.
I feel like a T-Rex. They didn't even cheat me on the meat. Damn. Corn, the mac and cheese. Yes, he lives here. Hell yeah, what do you mean? Listen, hold on. That's the barbecue capital of the world. I'm sorry.